Hi, everybody. Welcome to Life with Lisa Faye. Here is Oleo. And I just wanted to come in here because I have some thoughts. I want to have live conversations with you guys. I want to cook with you guys. I want to just hang out. And so I thought that on my Life with Lisa Faye's channel, not the Memo Plays channel, because we can kind of talk on that anyway. But whatever conversations you guys want to have, but I want to start. I think I want to start live streaming on Life with Lisa Faye, like cooking with me, cleaning with me, all the things, and we can just talk about whatever. And so I thought that would be something that would be fun. I might invest in a streaming PC to do that. Um, so it could be separate. I can always do it on my phone, but if that's something that you guys would be interested in, I show all these things on my little shorts that I post. But boy, she's just lovely today. She's just lovely today. So if you want to see more of me and Oleo live, let me know in the comments. Look at her. She's just look. This is the gaming PC. She's got her little paws up on the desk. She likes to be right here with me. But yeah, if that's something that you guys would be interested in, please let me know. We are coming up on the gardening season too, so maybe we could do some live streams, start some seeds together, or something like that. Let me know what you guys would like to see. If you want to do it live, and then you can watch the videos later. But if you wanna hang out with me live, let me know. Leave some comments on the video, and me and Oleo and you guys can hang out. We'll clean, we'll cook, we'll just have tea time and just chat. If that's something that you want to do, let me know in the comments below. And look at this dog. She's so squirmy today. You're squirmy today. She has bad breath and she farts a lot. But yeah, if y'all want to hang out, let me know in the comments below. Love you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Oh my goodness, I can't keep hold of her. Anyway, bye.